Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two platforms, which is Klenty and ManyReach. So let's start with a quick overview. Klenty is a robust sales engagement and a cold outreach platform tailored for B2B sales teams. It streamlines lead management with automated email sequence, CRM integration, A/B testing, and multi-channel workflow. Klenty also deals for XDRs and account executive aiming to boost response rate and close deals through a personalized and scalable outreach. ManyReach is a newer AI-powered cold email platform that focuses on speed, simplicity, and high deliverability. It also offers a smart inbox rotation, built-in warm-up, and personalization, together with a lead generation design for lean teams and solopreneur and agencies. It's also built for it's built to get a results quickly without a requiring complex setup. And talking about the strength about these two platforms, starting with Klenty. Klenty has a deep CRM integration with Hotspot, Salesforce, and Pipedrive. It also has a multi-channel outreach, emails, linking, and calls. It also has an advanced sequence A/B testing and a analytics together with a team management tools. I'm talking about ManyReach on the other side. That's a strength in building a warm-up and inbox rotation together with the leads, scrapping, and verified contact data. It's also an AI-powered personalization together with an affordable and easy to set up. And here's the overall conclusion. So you can simply choose Klenty if you are running a structured B2B sales operation with a need for CRM syncing, advanced reporting, and a multi-channel sequence. It also deals for large teams and sales rep with a clear workflow. On the other side, you can just opt for ManyReach if you are a solo founder, a small teams, and agency who want fast results with built-in warming and automation. It's also perfect for launching effective code campaign without the overhead of a full stack sales system.